Hello everyone, I'm Janie Rogers and I'm going to talk to you all about preparing budgets for a merchandiser. The reason why a budget is different for a merchandiser is because they are not creating their own products. The products that they distribute are ready made when they come to them, so that makes things a little bit more different. The production, direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead budgets do not need to be prepared because they are not creating their own inventory. They are receiving inventory and they distribute it. Instead, different budgets are combined, and those are the cost of goods sold, inventory, and purchase budgets. So below we have a little diagram to kind of show you how that all works out and how it is different for most budgets that you usually see. Another thing that we really need to focus on and remember in the merchandiser budget is that it is similar to the manufacturing budget, but it is calculated in dollars and not units. It is very easy to mix the two up, so if you try to remember that merchandising is in dollars and in manufacturing is in units, that should really help you along the road. Another important aspect of merchandiser's budget is the effect debit and credit cards have. All credit cards and debit cards charge a fee every time their cards are used, whether in store or online. So it doesn't matter if you're swiping them or if you're using them online. So the merchandiser's budget has to budget for that fee that comes with paying with plastic. The transaction fee for using a card is 25 cents plus 2% of the amount charged. This can also vary depending on the card, but this is the equation we use if it's not specified how much is charged. Another company that sometimes charges more than usual is American Express, and that is often why companies won't accept American Express because they have such high transaction fees. So let's look at an example to better understand this. So Julie buys a dress for her mom at Ann Taylor and she spends $47. She uses her Visa, so we are going to assume that Visa charges Ann Taylor a transaction fee that is equal to 25 cents plus 2% of the amount she charges. So this is what the transaction fee would look like. Be the 25 cents plus 2% amount charged, so 25 cents plus 2% of $47, and that would equal out to $1.19. Within a couple days then, Visa deposits the money into Ann Taylor's account and it looks like this. The amount charged on her credit card minus the transaction fee. So it would be $47 minus $1.19. So the cash deposited in Ann Taylor's account would be $45.81. So some of the most important things to remember about merchandising are the amounts on budgets are calculated at cost in dollars and not units. Another thing to remember is the operating budget includes sale budgets, cost of goods sold, inventory, and purchase budgets, operating expenses budgets, and budgeted income statements. Another thing to remember is our two equations we learned, which is transaction fee is 25 cents plus 2% of the amount charged, and the cash deposited is the amount charged on the credit card minus transaction fee. Thank you everyone for listening. Hope you learned a lot.